Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jay Ziminos. We're back again with another video. So we finished the army series. So in today's videos we are going to talk about the ZIFA. Okay guys, as you all know, ZIFA stands for Zimbabwe Football Association. It's a football organization or association in Zimbabwe. It was founded in 1965. Totarisa zvedu our kit colors, the first color redu yellow uchibvokaterera green ne white more. Let me know which kit color do you like. Ainini ndongofarira the first one, yellow one, ingori unique yakangodaro. So the Zimbabwe's biggest win was against Botswana in 26 August 1990. Takawina 7-0 baba. Yeah. Those are some good to Zimbabwe for the past few years. Zimbabwe national soccer team wasn't doing very well. But then this year, is it last year? This year, but in Nigeria. Jimbona tiki-taka everyone. Okay, our Zimbabwean football team is called the Warriors. Yeah, for the men's international football. Our president is Ngobile Magwizi, is that right? Yeah, Ngobile Magwizi is our president, and our coach is Michael Neves. Kit provider we do zvaizvezvi tiri kusponsor nePuma neBetter Brands unonyepa iwe. Isi takatombosponsa ne Puma yakatombosponsa 2010 kusvika 2012. Mwana manje saka payadzoka futi 2023 and present. Umbrondo yakamboti pusha zvokuti then pamakocha ala takambopushwa national team na Norman Mapeza. In personal I believe chibaba ichi. Then we've got some notable players like uyanonzi Boni, then uyo mfano wekuuzu asitarakananzani kangana sabati ishasha kama billiard mukoma wedu masha umnezo kugoesa bora kuuzu, and the list is endless guys. Let's appreciate our national team guys. 500 subscribers guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.